All right, Frank drew a coordinate grid plan with a grocery store located at 9, 0, and a movie theater located at the point 3, 0. What is the distance between the grocery store and the movie theater? All right, so distance, when we don't have our graph, we do have these 2 points is what we're going to find the distance between. So if I have the store is at 9, 0, and our movie theater is at 3, 0, if we take a look at those, the zeros are the same number. They can go off into the sunset. We're going to pay attention to that 9 and that 3, the x values. So if we have 9, that's a positive number, and 3, that's our positive number because there's nothing in the front saying that it's negative, so that we know it's positive. They are the same sign, so if they're the same sign, what are we going to do with those two numbers? We're going to subtract. So we're going to subtract the bigger number, 9 minus that 3, 9,876, so you should get 6 units. So our answer is 6 units. Now it asks if there's a quadrant, so the quadrant that it's in. If we were to look at a coordinate plane, and we went along the x-axis, so first off, remember we go down the hall to 9, then we don't go up or down. We just go down the hall 9. So we're literally staying on that x-axis here. So all you're going to type here is x-axis. X-AXIS. Same thing with that 3. If we started our origin, our 0, 0, we're going to go down the hall 3. We're not going up the elevator or down the elevator. We're literally staying on our x-axis again. And that is going to be it for our DMR number 2. Great job.